My name's Eric. I work in the assembly department. I've also done some wheel assembly and some fabrication. It's in the cycling industry, and yeah, we help a lot of different people get out there and enjoy cycling. What makes Catrike unique to me is we help a lot of folks, whether they're balance impaired or handicapped or older folks, get out there and still enjoy cycling. My favorite Catrike model is going to be the Villager because of its simplicity. Fastest I've gone on a Catrike, around 28 or 30. My favorite Catrike color is going to be the Moonrock Silver.